In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can message a group admin or owner on Telegram. So before I get into this, I want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct and you don't mess anything up. Now with that being said, if you do find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. So let's get right into this. The first thing we want to do is go onto our phone and we want to load up the Telegram app, as you can see I've done here. Now, once we've loaded up the app, we need to ensure that we are in fact logged in, because if we're not, we won't be able to do this. So once we've done that, it should look something like this, and we'll have access to all of our different chats. So the first step of this is to go to the group that we want to message the admin of. So I'm going to go to this Planet Token one here, and you can see there's a lot of people in it, a lot of members. So if you were trying to find an admin, it'd be hard to scroll through here and, find one to message. We couldn't tell who's who. So instead, what we'd want to do is we want to go to the top here where it says the name of the channel. We want to click on that. Upon clicking that, you should have a thing that looks like this. It will have the name, it will have the members, it will have the link, it will have the description, and then here it will have a members list. So this is where you're going to be able to find admins. You can see here there's a ton of admins here, and all we have to do is we just have to click on one. So we can click on this one here and we can go to message. And that's going to allow us to send them a message. We can just send a message at the bottom, like, hi, I need help, and he should be able to help you out. You can go back, and you can do that again. And you can do that to as many admins or owners as you would like to do. As you can see, this one has a lot of them, like that. Now, that is basically how you would go about finding and messaging the admins. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this video helped. Thank you for watching.